for gamers by gamers. I'm not a gamer, I'm a typist.
Ooh, is that this pouch? Look at that pouch.
Interesting blocks. Oh, assembly may be required. Some assembly. That sounds so cool. Or is this ready to go? I don't know. Yeah, you could see like the switches there, right? Orange switches.
Oh, what's that stuff then?
Replaceable rings. I don't know anything about mechanical.
Maybe you should read that book.
Yeah, I should read the manual. It's kind of dirty. The parts aren't like completely clean.
Like dust.
Yeah, there's a lot of dust. Oh, this is so comfy.
Can I have to wash my hands?
Oh, it's comfy. I think I don't mind that it's not split.
Whoa!
It feels good.
That's cool.
Okay, I'm gonna practice typing my passwords.
Oh, don't post that. People could read you.
Read my fingies. Okay. Well, let's see that manual. Be a master at getting it done. On average, we'll spend 1/3 of our lives working, which makes it crucial to invest in gear that's up to the task. We've put the same dedication to creating the ultimate in gaming performance into designing a line of productivity gear, each focused on achieving the highest levels of ergonomics, comfort, and speed, so you can perform at your best for hours on end. The Razer community is built to connect those who seek the winning edge. Be the first to get news, score Razer rewards, join exclusive giveaways, and much more, all in one place. Take the first step at razer.com/get started. Alright, instruction manual. I just want to know what those orange rings are. Are those like... what are those?
How many are there? Are there like as many keycaps?
I assume.
Maybe each time you buy a Razer product, you get more, and when you get 100, you get an extra life.
Oh shit. Here comes Supersonic. If you get all the Chaos Emeralds.
Yeah. That's some Barack Obama shit.
Keycap puller and O-rings. Keycap puller and O-ring. Oh, a keycap puller. And O-rings. They look like little SpaghettiOs. Do they not? Very cool. USB cord. Ooh. USB cord. USB plugs have little caps. Never seen that before. Fancy. I guess I have to just look up what an O-ring is. Oh! Got Razer stickers. You have some of these, right?
Somewhere. Mom and Dad's house.